founder and CEO of EaseMyEdu, an edtech startup catering K-12 segment, helping students with board and school curriculum examination preparation. Let me start with the problem statement. All students of class 8 to 10 spend maximum amount of time figuring out ways to understand and retain their school curriculum. In this race, they do not get enough time to improve their skills, pursue their hobbies, and work on self-improvement. First, school and then long hours of tuition make it difficult for the students to find that extra time. Parents send their board to tuition centers with an expectation of improvement, but due to unstructured way of training, students always end up at the losing end. We believe that students must not only be the consumers but also creators. So we are here with EaseMyEdu hybrid learning program. Students can attend sessions by top educators and subject matter experts sitting in the comfort of their home or physically at any of our EaseMyEdu learning centers. Students can get access to a variety of content on our mobile application like concept-oriented videos, library of past papers, and other study material. Students can also solve their doubts via the chat feature of our app. All the content on our platform is prepared by curriculum experts and it is in thorough sync with the school curriculum. We are the only platform that offers descriptive assessment for students. Moreover, we are recognized by DPPIT and the Startup India initiative as a startup working towards education and e-learning. Let's look at our business model. We run a B2C model. We have acquired data from several schools of West Mumbai. We have tie-ups with coaching institutes and schools to leverage their premises. We make school-wise batches. Currently, we have 11 centers across Mumbai. Let us look at our metrics. Currently, there are 250 students on our platform. The revenue collected in past 6 months is 45 lakhs. The number of students is increasing at the rate of 8 to 10% month on month. We are looking to raise funds with startup lanes to strengthen our tech, improve sales and marketing, and upgrade the curriculum. So we invite you all for the demo day. Please join us to revolutionize the learning experience. Thank you.